Hi friends, I'm Backpack. When I'm stuffed with too many papers, I can't zip. Your Google Drive is the same. When it's full, you can't save new work and everything feels slower. Let's clean it up together. Step 1. Open your Google Drive. Step 2. Click Storage on the left. Step 3. Sort your storage used column from large to small. You'll know it worked when it looks like this. Step 4. Tap on a file you no longer need, then tap the trash icon at the top. Repeat this step. Here's a tip. Start with big videos and old assignments. Step 5. Tap Trash on the left. Step 6. Tap Empty Trash and wait for the folder to empty. You may need to do this more than once. Be careful. When you empty the trash, you permanently delete the files. Step 7. Refresh and check your storage percent. Still seeing the storage almost full message? Just repeat steps 2 to 7 until the message goes away. Here are some quick cleanup tips. If you're unsure about a file, keep it. Clean up a little bit at a time. It all adds up. Nice work. Your drive is lighter, faster, and ready for more of your awesome creations.